Today we're looking at the function f of x equals square root x. If first we look at a quadratic relation and instead square the y term, we get a new line, y equals plus or minus square root x. Now this isn't a function because it doesn't pass the straight line test. However, f of x equals square root x is a function. Like all functions, we can transform the parent function. If a is less than 0, this will vertically reflect our function over the x-axis. If the absolute value of a is between 0 and 1, this will vertically compress our function, whereas if the absolute value of a is greater than 1, this will vertically stretch our function. If d is less than 0, this will shift our function down d units, whereas if d is greater than 0, this will shift our function up d units. If c is less than 0, this will shift our function right c units, whereas if c is greater than 0, this will shift our function left c units. If b is less than 0, this will reflect our function over the y-axis. If the absolute value of b is between 0 and 1, this will horizontally stretch our function, whereas if the absolute value of b is greater than 1, this will horizontally compress our function.